So I'm back out here in Colchester and I'm shooting another video with Currys. Check out their YouTube channel. I will link the full video at the end of this one, but check this out. This TV right here is the brand new LG G2 Oled Evo. They have evolved their technology even further, and a lot of the areas where people kind of criticized OLED in the past have been reinforced here on this TV, and it comes with an incredibly well-designed bracket on the back. Check this out. So this bracket is actually in the box, and when this is pushed up against the wall, all of the cable management is actually just here, and it's all recessed into the back of the TV. So it's literally like a picture frame. So the way that LG have managed to make this screen brighter, actually 30% brighter than the previous model, is by adding a new layer. It's actually a heatsink layer behind the TV, which actually allows the picture to refresh more efficiently, and it actually reduces screen burn-in considerably, because that was one of the concerns that people had about OLED technology. And because of this heatsink layer, they can actually drive the brightness way more than they ever could before. We do have the Magic Wand remote like before, but we do have a new Web OS platform. So this is Web OS 22. So they're basically just naming the OS after the year that it was released. And as you can see here, we can just point at everything, or we can use the D-pad here on the remote to scroll around if we want old school style. So when you guys actually watch the finished version of this video, you'll actually see a top-down shot from a camera that was up there looking down at this TV. And the TV is so thin that this soundbar down here, which is an LG soundbar, is actually thicker than the TV. So you see all these props here on the table. These are all part of the Currys video, which I'm going to link at the end, but check this out. See this highlighter? This is actually thicker than the G2. And for those of you worried about how to access the ports, it's actually not that difficult to do, and it's actually been designed with that in mind. So see, the ports are right close to the left-hand edge of the TV. There are 4 HDMI 2.1s, which means all of those can support 4K at 120 frames per second. And then you've got USB ports there as well. And then once you're done messing around with that, you can literally just push it back right up against the wall, and it's like a picture frame in a portrait gallery. So that's just a little bit of a behind the scenes of what we've been filming today. If you want to watch the full video, click this thumbnail right here and you can check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.